Hey beauties, I'm back and we got this gorgeous highlighted wig. I am really digging these colors, like they're really cute. It's not too much highlight, but it's just enough so you can still see some brown going through here, which I like. And I'm gonna cut off this lace and get ready to install this wig. So everything is laid, looking good. The only thing is that this lace is a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone. So I am gonna press some pressed powder in here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it look more natural. But first, we are gonna put our scarf on. I'm gonna let it sit 30 minutes to an hour, just chill around the house. And then I will come back and do this wig. So we are back. I laid this wig. Looks pretty good. The only thing is that the lace is too light. So I'm gonna do my baby hairs and put some pressed powder in that and all that. But first, I am gonna hot comb and straighten this hair. So I always like to use some wax butter. We're gonna get into that. I'm gonna place it on this part. Now I did kind of make this part off center, so I need to fix that. Now this is more like the center for me. Just gonna put that wax all around the hairline. So a little bit goes a long way. And don't forget the bag. So when you brush your hair, make sure that you don't have any clumps of the wax anywhere. Now we're gonna take this hot comb and get it popping. So now we're just gonna get into these baby hairs. We're not gonna do anything too crazy. Just give myself a few swoops to cover up this hairline and get it right. So I'm just gonna take a dab of Got to Be Glued and put it on the areas that I know I would start the swoops. And it's also gonna help lay this hairline a little bit more and get rid of those bite marks. So keep in mind, we're gonna go in with some foundation, so everything just blends once I'm done with my makeup. So that is another reason why I do my makeup last, is I don't want the wig or the edges to look all cakey or look like, what are you doing, sis, you know? So we're all finished and this wig looks so beautiful. I love the highlights. This is a perfect wig for the summertime. Hopefully we can go outside soon so we can go out and flex. But if not, you know, we can sit in the house and look cute. But I really like this hair. The highlights are more towards the top and towards the bottom. You just see brown and there's just a few highlights in here. So I really like it because it's not too many highlights, so it looks really natural. If you wear it in a different style, you'll just see the highlights more towards the top and then the brown will just be showing. I'm thinking about trying to do this wig in a half up, half down do. So if you guys are interested, let me know if you want to see some different styles. So I just did this basic middle part in style and here I always like to put my hair behind my ears. I just think it looks cuter that way. And it gets the hair out of my face. I hate hair in my face, it drives me crazy. Now again, this hair is from Unice Hair. They have great quality hair. You want to make sure you're getting the right vendor from them because Unice Hair has like all these separate vendors, but this one is really good. This hair is actually, I think it's 24 inches. It really comes down to like my waist. It's really cute. Ooh, who that shawty? I'm so country when I want to be. Now, surprisingly, I didn't have much shedding. It's just a few strands, but nothing crazy. It is super soft. You can run your fingers through it, and keep in mind, I flat ironed it, so it did not fry the hair. This hair is very nice. It has like a thicker texture, but it is kind of more on the thinner side. I didn't put any like oil or anything in it, and it's still like flat like this. So if you guys want more density, then just bump it up a little bit or just tease your hair. Now this parting space looks good. It came like, I think it was bleached a little bit, but I just put some foundation in the middle and the hair comes pre-plucked. So I didn't pluck anything and this is how it looks, really good. So tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, let me know as well. And I will see you guys in my next video.